Hi friends, this is Raghu here. You are watching Raghuview. Friends, today I am going to prepare mutton biryani, chicken fry and chicken masala village style. Come friends, let's go to the video.
Now adding oil to the vessel. Now adding some cumin seeds. Curry leaves. Onions. I added 3 sliced onions. Now adding chicken pieces into this. Chicken pieces is around 1.5 kg. I used country chicken for this. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Now adding some water into this. So let it cook for around 15 minutes. So after cooking 15 minutes, I am adding homemade blended masala. Friends, in next videos I will show how to make this type of masala and what masalas I used to blend this. Friends, this is a purely village style chicken masala. Now adding some salt into this. You can add salt as per your taste. Friends, now this was almost cooked. Friends, actually I cooked 3 dishes at the same time, but to explain you well, I am showing one by one. Now added coriander leaves into this. Friends, now chicken masala is ready. Next, we can see how to prepare mutton biryani. Friends, now adding oil to the vessel to cook biryani. Now adding biryani spices into this. Now adding onions to this, ginger and garlic paste. Mix it well. Friends, I added 2 big sliced onions. Now adding tomatoes into this. Adding some green chilies. You can add chilies as per your taste. Now adding mutton into this. Mutton is around 1 kg. I am doing this biryani for 1 kg mutton. I soaked basmati rice for this. Basmati rice is also 1 kg. I soaked this basmati before 15 minutes. Friends, this is not my regular setup. Actually, I went to my mother-in-law's house. There is a small function, so I am cooking some mutton and chicken to the function. Now adding some water to cook the mutton. The mutton should be boiled nicely before adding rice. Friends, now adding some mutton masala, some garam masala, two packets of biryani masala, friends, I added all 50 grams packets achi masala, adding some pepper powder, mint leaves, some coriander leaves, mixing this well. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Your comments are valuable and your feedbacks are very important to me. Friends, now I added ghee. Friends, I added 1 kg basmati soaked rice into this. Due to some technical issue, the clip was deleted. I added 1 kg basmati rice which was soaked for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after adding ghee, I close the lid. Now let it mix once. Hence the rice was 50% done. Now this was almost cooked, friends. You can make it dum for 20 minutes. I placed water bowl in top of the lid. So now dum is finished. Biryani is also finished, nicely cooked, and it is ready to serve. Friends, next we can see how to prepare chicken fry. This biryani was nicely cooked and ready to serve. Now adding oil for chicken fry. Adding some cumin seeds, some curry leaves, some onions, adding ginger garlic paste. Adding some tomatoes. Some green chilies. Now adding chicken pieces into this. This is approx 1.5 kgs. Friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Friends, I done 3 videos at the same time, but for a clear explanation I divided these videos. Now added some water to boil chicken. Now adding masala into this. Some garam masala and the blended masala which we only prepared in house. In next videos I will show how to make this masala and what are the ingredients we have added to this masala. Some dhania powder, that is coriander powder. Some chicken powder, chicken masala. Now mixing this well. Friends, after adding masala we need to mix well, otherwise it will stick into the bottom of the vessel. Now adding some mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Now this chicken masala is well cooked. Now adding salt. Add salt as per your taste. Now water was evaporated and it is nicely cooked. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you friends.